welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this case that I got for Samsung Red 2 Fire phone. Really great product. It comes with the case, as you can see. Then it comes with this mat for you to, it's a non-slip mat that helps when you put on the screen protector. It comes with two screen protectors. It comes with the two screen protector accessories, and then it comes with this really neat tool to help you put on the screen protector. So it's really nice. It installs, and that way you can install your screen protector perfect. It comes with the tool also to help you put on smooth everything out with the screen protector. Then it has also two camera tempered films to put on the back, so that way it protects your camera from damaging the lenses. So that's really nice. And it also comes with an attachment for you to attach onto the phone. So it's kind of like a ring holder for your phone. So you put it on the bottom and you attach it to the phone itself, and then you can hold your phone like that with the ring. So it's really cool. So this is, really great. This case offers extra protection from sudden dropping, scratching as well. It's drop plus protection. It's military grade material. It's a great grip, so it won't easily slide off your hand. All the buttons are protected, so that way it doesn't get any dust in there or anything. It's two-layer, as you can see, protection, but it's really hard, so it's really great. Again, it's, you don't have to worry about it dropping, from a far distance. This will definitely protect your phone. So highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.